Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam Sir. My name is Rhea Estrera. I am 36 years old and a solo parent. I have one child. He is 7 years old and a boy. I'm a college graduate.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
No, sir. I have local experience. I work as housemaid for 4 years.
Finish contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous employer?
My duties and responsibilities to my previous lawyer was taking good care of the kids, washing clothes, cooking, ironing, marketing, and a lot more of household work.
Did you take care of the baby?
Yes,
What
sir.
the ages?
They are 1 year old and
How
5.
about the kids?
The 5 years old kids.
Okay. Can you tell us how you take care of the children, the baby and elderly?
I make sure that they are well fed, so I cook them delicious food and make sure that they are healthy. So I healthy and clean every day, and I treat them as my own.
Please tell us some of your skills.
I am a fast learner. I am a flexible person. I love cooking. I cook Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn to cook Western and Chinese food.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
The traits that necessary for a good domestic helper is hardworking, obedient, trustworthy, God-fearing, can do multitasking.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
To my future employer, I promise to finish my contract. And thank you and God bless you.
Thank you so much. I hope to see you in Hong Kong.